Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use keywords in eBay listings. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to the selling section at the bottom side of the screen. Open all your listings and enter active section to see your current listings. Select the product you want to optimize and tap Edit. So start with the title of your listing. Use important keywords first. So include the brand of your product, model, size, color, and main features. So for example, instead of just writing sneakers, write, for example, Nike Air Max 270 men's running shoes, size 10, black. So in that kind of way. Avoid using necessary words like, for example, I don't know, wow or look in your title. So focus on words buyers are actually searching for. Next, moving down to the item specifics. So tap to fill in as many fields as possible, like brand, color, style, material, and size of your product. These fields act like hidden keywords and help your listing show up in the filtered searches. When editing your description, naturally repeat your main keywords a few times. Don't stuff them. Just make sure your sentences sound smooth and natural. Also, you need to think like a buyer. You need to include in your description those words that you think the buyer would type in the searching bar when looking for the specific product. Also, a little life hack, so use variations if they make sense. For example, if people search for phone case and cell phone cover, you can mention both options in your descriptions. Once you have optimized your title, specifics, and description of your listing, tap Save at the top right to update your listing. So that's how you can properly use keywords to make your eBay listing easier to find and way more powerful. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.